Good morning, my dear students and my dear friend. This is Sudhir and I welcome you all on today's class. And today we will proceed toward the next topic, and that is the word problems. Okay, so I'm making this video for the students of 3rd standard. Open the book, page number 52. I said open your book, page number 52. Okay, so there is an exercise 3.5. Okay, I'm taking the first example, that is question number A, first example. Second example is your homework. Then the question number B is there, and the question number B consists of 7 questions. वहाँ पे 7 questions हैं. Out of that 7 questions, I will take 3 questions. ठीक है, 7 में से 3 questions मैं आपको solve करके दूंगा और 1 या 2 question का शायद PDF बना के send कर दूंगा, and rest of the question will be your homework. Okay. Then there is the exercise 3.6 is also there, which is also based on the word problem. उसमें भी word problems ही है. I will take 2 or 3 questions from that exercise also, and rest of the question will be your homework. Okay, so बहुत easy है, don't worry about that. So let us understand about the word problem. So we have already discussed about the word problem in previous chapter. Yes, in a previous chapter we have understand the how to solve the word problem. So the first step is, first of all we have to collect the information given in the word problem. जो भी information आपको word problem में दिया हुआ है, first of all we have to collect it. Okay, and on the basis of given information, उसी information के basis पर हम लोगों को ये समझना होता है कि what we have to find out, है ना, what we have to find out, that means हमको उसमें से निकालना क्या है. Okay, then the third step is how can we find the particular thing. जो हमको find out करना है वो हम लोग कैसे find out करेंगे. ठीक है, if you understand the given information and what we have to find out, then you can easily find the answers. So let us see the first question, and that is Jamnalal, a fruit seller, had 560 kg of apples. एक जमनालाल के पास कितने, how much amount of apples are there? 560 kg. He had 560 kg of apples. तो उसके पास कितने amount of, कितना amount है, मतलब कितना kg है? 560 kg of apples is there. Okay. He sold 385 kgs during the day. उसने दिन भर में कितने kgs sold कर दिया, कितना बेच दिया? 385 kgs क्या हो गया? बेच दिया. Okay, that means he sold out. Then the question is, how many apples are left? How many apples are left with him? उसके पास कितने apples और बच गए हैं? So it is very simple. He had 560 kg. उसके पास 560 kg था, and out of the 560 kg he sold out 385. उसमें से 385 क्या हो गया? बेच दिया. That means what? 385 is removed. बेच दिया मतलब चला गया ना. Removal means what? Subtraction. Okay, 385 he is sold out. So now we have to find how much is left. कितना बच गया है. So how can we find? We will subtract 385 from 560. Okay, so first of all we will write the given information in the form of statements. Statements लिखेंगे. Okay, so that is your answer. Apples with Jamnalal. How much amount of apple he had? कितना था उसके पास? 560 kg. So write down here 560 kg he had. Okay. Now out of the 560 kg he sold out. Apples sold during the day. दिन भर में how much apple were sold? It is 385. So we will write 385 kg is sold out during the day. Okay. Now apples left with him. अब कितना बच गया? Now we have to find out how much amount of apple, that means how much apples were left with him. So we will subtract 385. 385 तो उसने बेच दिया ना. So we have to remove this 385 from 560. So we will write 560 minus 385, and we have to subtract this 385 from 560 so that we will get the final answer. So if you know how to subtract this number directly, so you can subtract, और अगर नहीं जमता तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Write down these numbers in column 560. 560, 385. Here we will write 385. Now we can subtract it. Okay, अब हम लोग इसको subtract कर लेते हैं. So now let us subtract it. Okay, चलिए इसको करते हैं हम लोग subtract. So here, as you can see, 560 is our first number and the second number is 385. So my question is, can we subtract 385 from 560? क्या हम लोग 385 को subtract कर सकते हैं 560 में से? So the answer is yes, we can subtract this number because it is a smaller one and we have learned बड़े में से छोटा subtract कर सकते हैं. That means we can subtract smaller number from bigger number. So चलो subtraction start करते हैं. So first of all we will write the places over here, ones, tens and the 100. Okay. Okay, now can we remove 5 from 0? It is not possible. We will take a borrow from this place. So here 5 times tens will be left and there will be 10 times ones. So 10 minus 5 gives us 5. Okay, 5 minus 8. Again not possible. We can't subtract 8 from 5. So again we will take a borrow. We will take a borrow. फिर से borrow लेना पड़ेगा here. Here will be 4 times 100 will be left and this becomes 15 and 15 minus 8. Now we have to remove 8 from 15. So we can count after 8 up to till 15. We can count after 8. Yes, we have learned that counting forward on a number line. वैसे subtract कर सकते हैं. So start 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and the 15. So there is 7. Here we will write 7 and from 4 we have to subtract 3, we will get 1. Okay, so the answer is 175 kg apples. So we will write Jamna Lal has 175 kg apples left with him. Understood everyone? Okay, quickly note down the answers on page number 52. आपके page number 52 पर जो है book, I said book. Write down the answers quickly. Okay. Then we will proceed toward the question number B. Okay. इसके बाद का जो second question है वो आपको खुद solve करना है, which is very easy. In that, I'm telling you. Wait, huh? I'm telling you what is written here. Look your book. Hemant had 2,645 stamps with the different countries. हेमंत के पास कितने stamps है? 2,645 stamps. He already have. Okay. He gave 968 stamps to Avnesh. अब उसमें से कितने 968 उसने दे दिया. So how much is left? So there is a, if you are finding the missing number or you are finding how much is left, there in that case we have to subtract. In that case what I have to do? We have to subtract. So here we will subtract 968 from which number? 2645. जितने उसके पास थे उसमें से उसने जो दे दिया वो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. We will subtract the smaller number from bigger number so that we will get the answer. और आपका आंसर 1677 आएगा. Okay, so I hope you can solve it. Okay, quickly note down the answers, then we will proceed toward the question number B. उसके बाद हम लोग question number B को solve करेंगे. Okay. Okay students, so let's solve the question number B, first one. Okay, so first of all we will read the question, that is a box can hold 550 pencils. Okay, there is a one box which can hold 550 pencils and there are 372 pencils in the box. There is already 372 pencils added in the box. Okay, now we have to find out how many more pencils can Akshi put in the box. उसमें हम लोग that means Akshi और कितने pencils को add कर सकती है. So here we know that the capacity is 550. हम box में 550 pencils को रख सकते हैं. But there is 372 already there. उसमें से 372 तो क्या है? पहले से उसमें added है ना? अब क्या हुआ? 550 में से जितने बच गई है, जितना बच गया है वो हम लोग और उसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स वॉट एवर द number of pencils, okay, out of 550 we can add in the box. Okay, so what we will do, first of all we will write the statements. So I have written here number of pencils that box can hold or number of pencils box can hold. You can write your own statement in your own language but it should be meaningful. Okay, तो कितने number of pencils को हम लोग box में add कर सकते हैं? We can add 550 pencils. So we will write 550. Okay. Okay, number of pencils box can hold is equal to 550. Then I have written the second statement which is a number of pencils already added in the box. कितने number of pencils already उसके अंदर में है? 372. So we will write 372. इतनी पहले से है और इतनी की कैपेसिटी है. That means we can add that much amount and there is already there. अब और कितना ऐड कर सकते हैं? वॉट एवर द लेफ्ट. दैट मीन्स वॉट, वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 372 फ्रॉम 550. ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स दैट अक्षी कैन ऐड, उसमें और कितने नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स अक्षी ऐड कर सकती है? वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस नंबर फ्रॉम दिस वन. ओके, 550 minus 372. Okay, after the subtraction we will write the answer directly over here. So we will subtract it. So let's write 550 minus 372. Okay, so let's subtract it. 0 minus 2 not possible, so we will take a borrow from here. So here will be 4, here will be 10. Okay, here will be 10. Now 10 minus 2 gives us 8. We will write 8 over here. 4 minus 7 again not possible, take borrow. Here will be 14, here will be 4. So 14 minus 7 will be 7 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So 178 more pencil can be added in that box. So we will write here 178 and I have written the answers. Akshi can add 178 more pencils in the box. अक्षी क्या कर सकती है? इसमें 178 pencils को और add कर सकती है. Listen everyone, this is a statement, these are the two statements, this is your final answer. Okay, so you can write the statements in your own language. It is not necessary to write the language of book. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप एकदम hard complicated language को use करें. You can write in your own language. Okay, but it should be meaningful. So quickly note down in your maths notebook. आप अपनी मैथ्स की नोटबुक में ये क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर है फटाफट से नोट कर लीजिए. ओके, देन वी विल सॉल्व वन मोर क्वेश्चन एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन विल बी योर होमवर्क. ओके, बाकी के जो क्वेश्चन है वो होमवर्क है. उसमें से एक क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा हार्ड है, सो आई एम टेकिंग दैट वन एंड आई विल सेंड द सम क्वेश्चंस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ PDF सो यू कैन राइट. ओके, क्विकली क्लिक अ स्क्रीनशॉट और पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट डाउन. Okay students, I am taking one more example and that is sixth question. Okay, मैं 6 questions ले रहा हूँ. Okay, so let us read the question. In the final of cricket tournament, एक cricket tournament है and final हो रहा है, ठीक है, final match चल रहा है of cricket tournament. There is a 2 teams. There is a first team that is team A. Okay, there is team A and the team B. Okay, so the team A made 274 runs. तो टीम ए ने कितने रन स्कोर किए? 274 रन्स. ओके, देन टीम बी हैड मेड 183 रन्स एट द एंड ऑफ 20 ओवर्स. और जब 20 ओवर कंप्लीट हो गया, आपका जो मैच है वो हमारा जो मैच है ये वाला वो 20 ओवर से और ज़्यादा का है, ठीक है. सो एट द एंड ऑफ 20 ओवर्स, 20 ओवर कंप्लीट होने के बाद Team B had made only 183 runs at the end of 20 overs. Okay, now the question is how many more runs does Team B needed? Team B को और कितने runs चाहिए to win the match? When match अगर जीतना है तो तो उसे और कितने रन बनाने पड़ेंगे. ओके, so first of all let's understand about the given information. What is the information, which type of information is given here? So first of all we will write the run made by team A. Write down run made by team A is equal to 274. Okay, 274 runs हो गया. Then run made by run, or you can write runs made by team B at the end of 20 overs. ठीक है, after the completion of 20 overs, how many runs made by team B? That is 183. 183 runs are made by the team B. Now if you want to find out, ध्यान से, if you want to find out how many runs needed to team B, team B को और कितने रन चाहिए जीत हासिल करने के लिए. So we will write number of runs needed to win the match. To win the match is equal to. So here let's understand, if there is a team, if the team A made 274 runs and the team B made 183 runs, लेकिन अगर टीम बी को मैच अगर जीतना है, सो व्हाट, कितने रन बनाना पड़ेगा? ध्यान से, अगर टीम बी को मैच जीतना है, दैट मीन्स इफ द टीम बी वांट्स टू विन द मैच, हाउ मेनी मोर रन्स नीडेड हियर? टीम बी को क्या 274 रन बनाना पड़ेगा? नहीं, एक रन एक्स्ट्रा बनाना पड़ेगा. यस, इफ द टीम बी मेड 275 runs, so then the team B will be win the match. Yes, so we will not subtract 183 from 274. हम लोग 274 में से उसको subtract नहीं करेंगे. We will subtract from 275 क्योंकि एक रन और एक्स्ट्रा बनाना पड़ता है ना. So we will write is equal to 275 minus 183. Okay, so let's subtract it. We will subtract here 275 minus 183. So here will be 2, 7 minus 8 not possible, take borrow, so it will be 17. This becomes 1, so here will be 0, and 17 minus 8, here will be 9. Okay, so 92 runs needed to win the match. So we will write the answer. Team B needed 92 more runs to win the match. Okay, I hope you understand. So quickly note down in your maths notebook.